Hey, welcome to Tremaine University. It's Wyatt Wilson here. Today we're going to learn how to upload photos to your listing on the MLS. So first, let's start by opening the MLS and clicking the Add Edit tab. And go ahead and select yourself here from the Agent drop-down menu and click the Edit button on your listing. Once we're there, you can find the Photos tab in the upper left-hand corner. And then we want to click the button that says Add Photos. And we're going to hit Browse, big blue button that says Browse, which is going to open up the file folder on your computer, at which point we can select the photos that you want to upload. Bada bing, bada boom, your photos are now uploaded. And you're going to want to rearrange the order of your photos most likely, so go ahead and grab the icon in the upper right hand corner of the photo, and you can drag and drop that around as you please. And once you're done with your arrangement, you can hit Submit in the upper right hand corner, and you are successful.